I gave this rare Murex shell a nice Clorox bath and I left it out to dry for about maybe 2 hours, and now I'm ready to work on it. After 20 minutes, this shell is clean of coralline deposit, but it's bone dry. It needs moisture to bring the colors back out. So when I have to use my little Dremel to clean shells, I find do not use the ones that plug directly into the wall, because those rotor bits will just keep spinning. They'll tear up the shell and they'll tear your skin up. I like this one here where it's just operated by batteries. So what happens if it accidentally hits your skin, it's just going to slow down. It's not going to tear you up. And you just put on the bits that you want. Any hardware store carry these micro bits. And as you can see, I got through cleaning this shell out. By the way, this next shell, I think it was Radio Shack, but the company that had them, I bought a box out from them when they went out of business. And I tell you, I'm down to my last one. I sold some, gave some away. But this is the way I clean my shells. Okay, I'm done cleaning off all the coral. And I just put a thin layer of oil on the shell, mineral oil. So after this, this shell has to sit for a couple hours. Now I use mineral oil, not baby oil, because baby oil has alcohol content, so it'll dry up. Mineral oil is the best. And I have two types of applicators, soft bristle toothbrush, and just a little makeup brush, mascara brush. Now take a look at that. That's only half done. You saw what it looked like before. That's half done. That's the other half that's not oiled yet. What a difference. I will now share with you my closely guarded secret. You want the shell to absorb the moisture from the oil. If you leave it out in the light is going to destroy the color pigmentation. So what I do is from this stage on, I put it in a bag. I surround the bag with aluminum foil and I leave it in the closet overnight. The next day, I take it out and this is the color. It could be a chemical reaction in the dark with the oil, but the shell turns magnificent colors and it gets re-moisturized. So this is a secret of making your Murex shells just glow like crazy, because when I first found it, did not look like this. Now this is what the same shell looks like the following morning. I was able to take it out and I was so amazed because this is darker than normal. You saw what the shell looked like in its natural stage. It was super light tan, nothing like this color, and it will hold this color the rest of its time. You know, it takes a lot of love and care to be a shell collector. This Murex shell was completely covered with coral. I actually found this. It normally get these scuba diving here in Hawaii beyond the depths of 100 feet. This is endemic to Hawaii, which means it's only found here. Murex Chicoreus, insularum, Pilsbry, 1921. So I found this on the shoreline when I was fishing. It was maybe, I think, the second time I ever found one of these on the shoreline. The hermit crab or the animal, whatever was originally inside, abandoned the shell. You know, it could have been live, washed in, and the hermit crab probably took over. But you saw the way it was. I put it in a light Clorox solution for a couple of days and then dried it, and then I took the coral off using micro tools that you saw. So this is the finished product. See how beautiful this is? But Murex shells take a lot of tender care and I put a lot of time into it. This one here is endemic to the Hawaiian Islands, which means it's found here and nowhere else in the world. Thank you.